Hey everyone, if you're still debating whether to invest in gold or silver in 2026, stick around, because this could completely change how you think about building wealth. Gold has long been the classic safe haven, trusted for centuries to protect money during inflation, economic uncertainty, and market turbulence. And that's true. It's been a reliable store of value from ancient civilizations to modern financial markets. But here's the reality. In 2026, gold is near record highs. While it provides security, its potential for growth is limited. That's where silver comes in, and this is where most investors are missing out. Silver is quietly becoming one of the most undervalued and overlooked opportunities in the market. It trades at a significant discount relative to its intrinsic value, while demand is poised to surge. Why is this happening? Two major forces are driving silver's growth. First, industrial demand. Silver isn't just a precious metal. It's essential for electronics, solar panels, medical devices, 5G technology, and high-tech manufacturing. Production is struggling to keep up with demand, and the gap is widening. Second, the green energy revolution. The global shift to renewable energy, electric vehicles, and smart technology relies heavily on silver. Solar panels, EV batteries, and advanced electronics require silver, and mining output can't scale quickly enough to meet this growing demand. This makes silver not just a hedge like gold, but a growth asset, offering a rare opportunity to preserve wealth while potentially multiplying it. Smart money on Wall Street is already noticing. Institutional investors and fund managers are quietly stacking silver, anticipating a significant price increase in the coming years. Gold will always protect your wealth during uncertainty, but silver offers upside potential that gold alone cannot provide. Ignoring it now could be one of the biggest mistakes an investor makes in 2026. Let's break it down further. Historically, gold shines during times of extreme uncertainty, wars, recessions, and financial crises. Its track record as a store of value is undeniable. But growth-oriented investors need more than preservation. They need leverage. Silver offers a unique combination. It retains value like gold, but also participates in industrial growth and technology adoption in a way gold cannot. Over the past decade, silver demand in solar energy has skyrocketed, while production has lagged. The electric vehicle market, projected to grow by millions of units over the next decade, depends heavily on silver for batteries and electronics. Combined, these factors make it likely that silver could outperform gold. Now let's talk numbers. As of 2025, silver trades about 40% below its fair value compared to gold. Historically, purchasing silver at such undervalued levels has led to double or even triple-digit gains in subsequent years. Imagine positioning yourself ahead of the next big surge while gold continues to serve as wealth insurance. The strategy is simple but powerful. Diversification. Gold and silver complement each other like few other assets can. Gold preserves your wealth. Silver grows it. Gold protects your portfolio in turbulent times, while silver allows you to benefit from industrial, technological, and energy-driven growth. Ignoring either one leaves gaps in your portfolio and limits your financial potential. Looking ahead to 2026 and beyond, silver is poised to shine brighter than it has in decades. Global demand continues to rise, supply remains tight, and investor interest is increasing. Historically, these conditions have triggered sharp price spikes. If you act strategically and understand timing, this could be a once-in-a-generation opportunity. Practical steps for investors are critical. First, don't wait for the market to peak. Timing is always tricky, but entering now, while silver is undervalued relative to gold, offers a far better risk-to-reward ratio than waiting until hype drives prices up. Second, determine your allocation. A balanced approach might involve holding most of your precious metals in gold for security, while allocating a significant portion to silver for growth. This ensures protection against inflation and volatility while maintaining exposure to upside potential. Third, stay informed about macroeconomic trends and industrial developments, particularly in green technologies and electronics, which are the primary drivers of silver demand. Fourth, choose the right investment vehicle. Physical silver, ETFs, mining stocks, or silver futures each serve unique purposes, and a combination can provide both security and liquidity. Building wealth isn't about following the crowd. It's about positioning yourself ahead of trends most people overlook. Silver is exactly that kind of opportunity. Combine it with gold, and you create a nearly bulletproof portfolio: gold for stability, silver for growth. Considering the global economy, 2026 is likely to bring continued inflationary pressures, expanding technological adoption, and growing industrial demand for silver. At the same time, central banks may maintain tighter monetary policies, which favor tangible assets like gold and silver. Holding both metals isn't just smart, it's essential. Ignore silver, and you risk watching others multiply their wealth while your portfolio stagnates. Ignore gold, and you risk volatility that could have been avoided. Together, they're unbeatable. The takeaway is simple: hold gold for protection, hold silver for growth, and understand that together they provide the ultimate hedge against uncertainty while offering wealth-building potential. The next few years could be some of the most profitable and defining moments for precious metals investors, and positioning yourself now, before the mainstream catches on, could make all the difference. Don't wait for headlines or market hype. Take action today, diversify wisely, and embrace the power of both metals. Gold preserves your wealth, silver multiplies it, and together they give you the ultimate financial strategy for 2026 and beyond. The world is changing fast. Industrial and green technology demand is surging, and those who act now will be best positioned to benefit from one of the most exciting investment trends of our lifetime.